I am Smoshman and today I'm gonna present the XIAOMI 279. Okay, so the ROM, it's great. It has many fixes this week, but it has only one thing new. I think it's that on the control center message, it's gone. You have the date and the hour here. For me, it makes no sense, because unless they gonna make a new thing, because you have on your left side corner also the same. So as you saw, the same. Don't know why, but okay. I prefer like that. You have also here on display, you have the dark mode and the adjust contrast automatically. Okay, it gives a more darker look. You don't have really too many changes on that on this ROM. You don't have too many changes. You have here to use the old control center and status bar. You have the option to put the new one, and you have the option to show on your left side, and then on your right side you have the date and the hour. Okay, I'm gonna put like normal. You have also the connection speed, the battery indicator, and all. Okay, these are the old stuff. Okay, besides the small fixes, you don't have anything new but the control center, as I showed before. Okay, really, here you have the new wallpaper and the bullet blue, as you saw. Okay, no problem with this ROM, very snappy. Battery performance, let me show you the battery performance on the ROM. I have 2 hours and 41 screen on time with 59% left, so it's good. The always on display, really, it takes a lot of battery, but the phone is to use, so I use it with all the stuff. I hope you like the ROM, you like the video. I see you soon. I am Smokeman and thanks for watching.